What are you doing?
Hanging up my clothes.
Oh, well, why are you putting them in the trailer?
We're getting ready to go to Canada.
Now what are you doing?
Part of getting ready is putting the sheets on our mattress toppers. So when we get there, our beds will be made. Beds are made, all tucked away for a nice cozy night on our way to Canada.
Now what are you doing?
Stocking the Casita with extra supplies for our trip. Good morning. Had a few friends drop by to tell us goodbye. We're leaving this morning. It's about 6:30 in the morning, and we're leaving to take off to go to Canada. It takes us about 3 days, 2.5, 3 days to get there. So
We'll be on the road for a while, and we'll be posting some things shortly.
bye. See you next time.
See you later. Hello, we're on the road. For those of you that don't know, this is the Big Thompson Canyon on Highway 34, heading into Loveland, Colorado. We're on the road to Canada. We're going to stop tonight in Hardin, Montana, because tomorrow they're doing a reenactment battle of Little Big Horn. Custer's Last Stand. That's going to be a different video. Be sure to look for that one as well. And we're going to be on the road for a while, so we'll check you later. As the sun was setting, we pulled into our campground in Hardin, Montana, Grandview Campground. A review's coming on that later. Notice how we're kind of squeezed in. Oh boy, okay. Let me finish this. All right. Good supper, thank you. Sonny, he's trying to get something to eat too. Well, we're all settled in this evening at Grandview Campground in Hardin, Montana. Tomorrow morning we're going to take off to the town of Hardin and check out what that town has, and we're going to be there for a parade. So that's going to be interesting. We're also, tomorrow around noon, 1 o'clock, we're going to head over to close to the Little Bighorn River, where they're going to do a reenactment of the battle, the Custer's Last Stand, known as the Battle of Little Bighorn. And we're going to watch that. Then we're going to go tour the Little Bighorn Battlefield National Monument. And they have a national cemetery there, and it's where Custer fought his last battle with his men. And we're going to do that tomorrow. It'll be a full day of adventure, so come along with us tomorrow. And that's going to about wrap it up for tonight. So, good night. Say good night, Sonny. Say good night. Good night.